Yo bro. Part 1. Mindset locked. Goals written. Day 0 tested. Perfect. Part 2. Drops your 3-day no equipment workout plan. 20 minutes per day. 3 times per week. Follow this plus consistency equals week 4. You'll crush baseline plus 50%. Part 3 progression next. Day 1, Monday/Thursday. Push plus core focus. Warm up 3 minutes jumping jacks arm circles. 3 rounds. 45 seconds work/15 seconds rest. 1 knee push-ups or wall. Times max 2. Straight plank hold 3 air squats. Thighs parallel. Times 12 to 15 4. Superman hold 20 seconds. Back extension. Cool down stretch chest/shoulders. Day 1 builds your push-up/plank baseline. Day 2, Wednesday/Saturday. Pull plus legs. Warm up 3 minutes high. Knees butt kicks. 3 rounds. 45 seconds/15 seconds. 1 inverted rows. Under table/door. Times max 2. Negative pull-up hangs. Jump up slow down 3 seconds. Times 5 to 8. 3 lunges, alternating times 10 per leg. 4 dead bug core, alternate arm/leg, 20 seconds. Stretch back/legs. Pull day turns, hangs into rows. Quick fuel, 1.5 grams protein per kilogram body weight daily. Eggs dal paneer, eat 500 calories surplus if gaining. Track weight weekly, adjust every Sunday. Retest baseline. Hit plus 2 push-ups, level up. Week 4, full push-ups start. Part 3 reveals advanced hacks. Which day scares you most? Comment. Part 3 tomorrow. Progression plus nutrition, deep dive. Like bell. Part 2, checkmark, crush it.